Welcome to Photoshop School. Today I will teach you easy way to make glow effects. Choose Quick Selection tool. Select the desired subject you want to select. Deselect the unwanted area pressing Alt. Once you are satisfied, press Select and Mask. Choose View mode which you feel okay with. I prefer Overlay mode. Choose Second Brush tool and start fixing unwanted area. Make opacity to 50. In contrast around 10. Check on decontaminated color and choose New Layer with Layer Mask.
Press Ctrl and click on Mask to select the selection part. Choose Polygonal Lasso tool and choose third icon Subtract from selection. Select the area you want to deselect. Not on Mask, click on Subject, press Ctrl J to make copy. Select the copied item, press Ctrl G to make group. Hide group. Go to the background. Click on Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer and choose Color Lookup. Choose Moonlight DL. Again click on Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer and choose Black and White. Make opacity to 50. Unhide the group. Convert it to Smart Object. And make copy of it pressing Ctrl J, turn on Effect to Linear Dodge Add. Go to Filter menu, Blur, Gaussian Blur and make radius to 5. Make copy of blur effects and keeps changing the value. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation, create Clipping Mask and select Colorize. Adjust the color until you get satisfied. Choose Main Subject. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Curve. Choose Brush tool, take Soft Brush, make flow around 30 and be sure foreground color is black. Start painting to adjust. Bring background suitable for the picture. Place it on the top layer. Choose Lighten. Adjust the place. Click on Mask and invert it pressing Ctrl Y. Make sure the foreground color is white and start painting on subject. If you want to remove, just invert to black.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more easy tricks. Thank you.